sheer chutzpah of being health secretary when you are in favour of privatising and destroying the NHS. Satire really is dead, ladies and gentlemen. Ask Nick Seddon, that's David Cameron's main health advisor. He used to work for private healthcare company Circle. Yes, the revolving door is spinning very smoothly. He wrote that the NHS should be merged with insurance companies, and those who can should contribute to their own healthcare costs. And ask David Cameron, who wants, and this is a quote, to turn the NHS into a fantastic business, who tells us he would never privatise the NHS because it looked after his family, whilst his government destroyed it. I sometimes wonder how these people live with themselves, how they sleep at night. You know what? They sleep absolutely fine in their luxury mansions, riding police horses called Ricer, and hobnobbing with the Murdochs in Chipping Norton. You know how they manage it? Frankly, they don't give a damn. When faced with these facts, it's easy to feel angry, shocked, bewildered, but most importantly of all, hopeless and powerless. But we have to remember that this is our NHS. It belongs to each and every one of us. It doesn't belong to David Cameron, or George Osborne, or Jeremy Hunt. It doesn't belong to the Tories. It doesn't belong to Virgin, or Serco, or United Health. It belongs to us, we, the people. So only we can fight for and save it. And in fact, what people often don't realise when faced with the power of the state and corporations is that we have all the power, if only we unite in solidarity. The NHS is part of the welfare state, part of the post-war social democratic settlement that was created to forge a fairer, more just, more equal society. Don't let them take that away from us. Don't let them grind you down. Don't let the Tories and the tabloids disenfranchise you of the rights and privileges that generations fought for over centuries in order to secure. Don't let them smear it by twisting the truth. Don't swallow their lies that we can't afford the NHS or welfare because of migrants or benefit scrambles. The crash wasn't caused by Labour, it wasn't caused by excessive public spending, it was caused by the bankers. It's austerity for the 99% and prosperity for the 1%. This is what we are fighting for, and losing this struggle is not even an option. So today is the continuation of the struggle. It's another stepping stone, but it's also the start of something new. Junior doctors have organised this because they're gradually waking up to what is happening to them. Because all over the country, people are waking up to what 5 more years of Tory rule is going to be. Because in workplaces and pubs and living rooms and meetings, they're having conversations about what's happening to the NHS, to the welfare state, to public services, to wages, living standards, housing, and much, much more. In this attack, this onslaught of corporate power on the interests of ordinary people. So what each and every one of us needs to do is to go back and inform and educate family, friends and colleagues. That is the only way to spread the message. Go back and join the local branch of Keep Our NHS Public, or the National Health Action Party, or 38 Degrees, or your trade union, or Unison, or Unite, or the many other campaign groups represented here. We need to escalate. Demonstrations, meetings, speeches are all very